All right, so step number 2 here, our simple continuous curve. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more just so we can see a little bit better. So what you're going to do, you still have your pen tool selected. Make sure you don't have a fill and that your stroke is set to 3. First, what you're going to do, just like we did in step number 1, we're going to click and hold with our mouse. So I have yet to let go of my mouse. Now I'm going to drag up and follow this line. Once I get to this point here, I'm going to let go with my mouse. You probably just heard that click. So I'm only clicking once and dragging. Then when I get to where I want to, I then release. So we're going to do it again here, except instead of dragging up, we're going to drag down. So now I'm going to click and hold with my mouse. And while I'm still holding, I'm going to drag this handle down here. And once I get that curve where I want it and my point where I want it, I'm going to let go of that click on my mouse and we'll move back over here. Now notice how we're going up and then down. We're going to go back up again, and then over here, we're going to go back down. So let's go back over here. We're going to click and hold with our mouse and drag up. Once we get to the top, then we can let go of our mouse and we can move on to the next one. So we're going to go ahead at this point here, click and hold with our mouse, and then drag down to this point here. Once I get finished, just like we did with our straight path, hit escape on our keyboard.